Mushroom cultivation. Mushroom is one of the delicious food on the earth. To cultivate the mushroom house is essential. Construct a mushroom house in east-west direction with bamboo frames. Erect the roof with thokkopatha, that is palm leaves, and provide ventilation. Fill the floor with sand up to 15 cm height. Build bamboo racks to keep mushroom beds. Make a partition inside the mushroom house, one as a spawn running room, another as dark room. Cover the wall with a gunny sackcloth to increase the relative humidity to 80 to 85%. Sprinkle water twice in a day on the floor and gunny sackcloth to maintain the required temperature and relative humidity. Spawn running room. Spawn running room is one where beds are kept for running of spawn under dark condition, but ventilation is required. Temperature in the room should be maintained between 25 to 28 degrees centigrade. We can make the spawn running room and the cropping room using locally available bamboo frames. Cropping room. Cropping room is the one where the opened mushroom bags are to be kept after completion of spawn running. Fruiting requires a temperature range of 20 to 28 degrees Celsius. Cross ventilation 2 to 3 hours daily by opening doors and windows, and light 2 to 4 hours per 24 hours from fluorescent tubes. Moisture and humidity range of 85 to 95%. A light water mist is used to lower the temperature and hasten fruiting if temperature inside the house rises above 30 degrees centigrade. Open the doors and windows at night to allow the cool air to enter. This is the cropping room. It can be constructed using locally available material such as bamboo and thokkopatha. Substrate required for mushroom cultivation. Selection of paddy straw. We can also use other substrate for mushroom cultivation such as paddy straw, wheat straws, corn hobs, dried water hyacinth, sugarcane bagasse, banana leaves, cotton waste, and sawdust. Cut the fresh paddy straw into 3 to 5 cm length. Pastuerization of substrate. Mix 10 gram of carbendazim in 50 liters of water. Weigh 10 kg of dry straw and soak it in the solution. Soak the straw in the chemical solution for 2 to 4 hours. After soaking, take out the straw and drain the excess chemical solution by keeping them in wire baskets. Boil the straw in the water for 1 hour. Spread the straw as a thin layer on a hessian cloth spread on the raised platform. Shade dry to get 60 to 65% moisture capacity. Precautions: the straw should not be dried on the floor. The hessian cloth should be disinfected with Dettol. The dose of the chemical should not exceed the recommended level. The 60% moisture content in the straw can be judged by taking a handful of straw and squeeze it tightly. The water should not drip out and the palm can feel the wetness of the straw. Add carbendazim to water. Mix the chopped paddy straw to water with carbendazim. Boil the straw. After boiling, dry the paddy straw. Mushroom bed preparation. Use 60 to 30 centimeter polythene bags. Wash the hands thoroughly with the antiseptic lotion, that is Dettol. Put the processed straw into the bottom of the bag to the height of 5 centimeter. Sprinkle 25 gram of spawn. Fill the second layer of straw up to 5 centimeter and spawn as it above. Repeat the process till the bag is 3/4 full. Tie the mouth with a thread, put holes for aeration, and cut the sides of the bottom to drain out excess moisture. Arrange the mushroom beds inside the spawn running room in a rack system or hanging system. Maintain the temperature of 22 to 25 degrees centigrade and relative humidity of 85 to 90% inside the room by spraying water. Cut and remove the polythene bag after spawn running period and transfer the beds to cropping room. Cautions: keep the spawn running room dark so that spawn running will be faster. Periodically place the rat baiting to kill rats as they eat the spawn. Periodically sprinkle water on the sand layer to maintain the required condition. Never spray any insecticides on the mushroom beds. Bed preparation. After bed preparation, we can keep it on the iron racks in a cropping room. After spawn running, remove the polythene bag. Harvest and yield. Mushroom pinheads appear on third or fourth day of opening of beds. Matured mushrooms will be seen 3 to 4 days after pinhead formation. Harvest matured mushrooms before spraying water by grasping by stalk and gently twisting and pulling, or by cutting with a knife and store it in a refrigerator or cool place. Obtain second and third harvest after scraping the surface of beds to 1 to 2 cm deep after first or second harvest. Entire cropping will be over in 35 to 40 days. Fully grown mushroom beds. Harvesting of matured mushrooms.